enti enra no yego pie mu Kumasi High Court for Odobroni and Akosua Serwaa versus Daddy Lumba no nsensem no eno a yego pie mu ewo High Court na finally High Court akwahye Akosua Serwaa ne court injunction a ode abeto Daddy Lumba no ho nhyehye no court akwahye na no de si ye no mema onkyere mu no akere wadwen ama me ewo comment section ayi Penyah Block Media meso say ni dem no be like video no other about subscribe button so na be click notification icon of latest update abekere wadwen ama me ewo comment section meso so baso no I shall post anya bi ahwe it did the last time about 2 weeks ago any copy ewo Kumasi High Court for Akosua Serwaa any Odobroni omu issue na ise yatwe ho manso ya twe ho diary no efa de no be ye no ho hyehye no ye copy ewo court ema ho no akwe Odobroni any ebuzafo no lawyer e ka say oh omo epese mo file case bi eti court entwen ansa ema court etwentwen asem no so etu hye se enra a eye 27th October 2025 na ba betena asem so bit enra na go tena asem no so na ye kono me hu se akwe as one lawyer eye lawyer Kumasi William say books e kura no enyo buskit wo ama me hu se oh ebuza penny to park onto talent to me so se ono so ewo hobie
me yama ye be chenye se obi ya me yimaye usade ye me kaza me ye ekakakra na nini na maye se ye mu na komti mama se me be yi nkeche se nyuma go yi suani
ama hu se Daddy Lumba ne sister no na ono se ewo ho no bi a je se ono kra okasai
na omo wo ho a na wa wale no
Mama Akosua say o na no bi ti won ma ana so ko ko ti obi a eno je se ti be dan yi
sister mama won ti say so do so pray mama ko aba yeah ni no what to say Oba mama dey just taxi Oba what to say
I'm here do mo ene de nkunim be yo dia
awrade ne hene
ya ne
awrade ne hene
Emma even papa say eba ho no mo
court na owura Charles Kojofosu ne yere eware ye enti yesese wie o court na ahemfie die na futu obi e wo na odi ato so we love them ena wo hina otra bedroom so no ono so aware ordinance enti ono so kan sa pepe
nkofo boss bo se wonya dan for pefe se wini pefe se na yewra Charles Kojofosu ene Odobroni wo ho enso ene as we weni
me pacho na me wa America. I was living in America for 17 years omo ho no man chese wa ware so abia se mama Akosua bra se o kona na obi ti wono ma ana so gogo hwe obi a eno nchese wo bedane yere se edua ekoko dansuum emfie bebre a ye friend do for chair emedane denchem edumre se kan okreche the whole world say constitution ya gidi e o Ghana constitution German for the gidi and onyankopon asem and a constitution ya e govern the whole entire planet yentimi ma side check for e mama mesesa no it's not going to work this generation yes wo musua bibi ese se esua nimdie ni nyansa ni yesu onyankopon
mama Akosua Serwaa na this statement ato abonten se German embassy na dia banana
no crap me ana me koje ne nra edi
the German embassy
Emma papa say eba kono so kura adibo claim say the marriage certificate any marriage document of Akosua Serwaa only Daddy Lumba say obia ba na obia everybody came prepared. Obia says who ye pan sana oba ema ekopiem e court no mo. Answer the na ama asem no ekopie court is a court injunction ebeda efunu ene ye no hye nyina so no say ensem obuja panyin ebeka say Akosua Serwaa no Daddy Lumba eja no etomo they don't see her as a wife no only right say obey bibia eno na nam soma Akosua Serwaa so the court injunction egoto eye eno wo hye na eno ano ene ne panyin to pack only lawyers eno odobroni eno lawyers omo withdraw from that statement. Say almost say Akosua Serwaa onye Daddy Lumba ire na Daddy Lumba kwan oja wane cause Akosua Serwaa de nensa ba nta wale egu ye eti onye na ire ne de eno omo eredo no mu draw ho no mo ana court eso okay say man redo asem de ne injunction na me de ato ehie no so na ema mo ho kwan ma ntim enya ehie no injunction no meyi injunction no efren say Akosua Serwaa injunction na o de beto Daddy Lumba ire ho hye no so no an ka ire ba so 6 December no court HS we court injunction no every so as abuja panyin e ho kwan se eye no hye bia de ka bia no odi gu akwam na no the baton no abese abuja panyin ensem ho kwan e ho hye se odi hye bia egu akwam na oye bia na after court no abuja panyin no ebe kasa aye
court no e de amaye eye no menim abusia kotranse ye pese eye ene ye beye obi anye eye no kwan bia bia e ka de abusia panyin ebe ka enti monsa njrofo ronso adidi atam no bebrebe no njai obi abusuo mu asam mu yeyen saa buja page sam mu sori atam didie azu betumi awu bebre ani ti no se court na kawi yempe atam didie ensem dia osi yenkosi esi yede ane se ye abusuo ni nyina be kan bom na ya ade eye na abusuo na tena ho enko basa Daddy Lumba yenje ye wi na abusuo na sa ye pe abusuo a ede nka bumuka me kasara na be kasa se ye tiensam bebre franki ye tiensam ti amane ne amamre eno so ane ye de ye adwuma na ye mfa kikikiki nye adwuma ye make sure say ade bia ye bia no eye enti ne ye de bedam lawyer fo a omo so kwotena ase jaja hwensem lawyer fo akasa we akasa still ye pe peace anya se ye di bi ma na ye se ya na ye ntokwa ye pe peace na ye de ye gina mu sanse ye ne ye mu nyina na ye enza njofo mu na mo baba akoko dewuru ama eniema nyina atumi awie peye sanse emre de be ye adwuma no mu se isa enze ntokwa bi ani ho ti wo ko bo dewuru na ye sro bode ye enya de eva ntokwa ba na ha family no na yedidi atem eno faso bi ye ni enkoje numi bia emma wo ye de ye da mas
emma na lawyer so e kire ensem de si ho no mo.
So today the court had to make the determination of the injunction application that has been placed on the body of our beloved Daddy Lumba. We made our superior submissions in court together with counsel of the second defendant, and the court heard our prayer and currently denied any injunction that is placed on the corpse. So currently, as we stand here, there is absolutely no injunction on the body of Daddy Lumba. The family has absolute right to make any determination as to the type of burial, the role they will assign to any person. So that is the good news that we have currently. That is a decision that will be made by the family. But like I said, that is a determination that the court has declined to make pronouncement on. It is the family, led by Penyah, who will make a decision as to who will perform the widowhood rites.
Emma Papa She Eka Sai.
Okache the whole Ghana. Because I say what and he's what disrespecting Akosua Serwaa. What disrespecting what disrespecting and pray to me, Mammy Yakuna. Side chick on your baby, any Bible. See what I say. Bible side chick, the other way you could. Matthew or lawyer house or the Abaco to say, When near my evidence be at your Sabi, you're worrying Hannah, you're worrying. You're calling anymore. Or you know, also a worry ordinance. You got just someone said you're more young. Would you for?
Akosua Serwaa a lawyer so kasai.
TV for so in here. Akosua Serwaa from injunction. They want to challenge Akosua Serwaa's capacity.
Now, it was so interesting to see, say, Daddy Lumba ne sister Trim said, though court a injunction every honor the announce on no party. 6 December na odo broni Akosua Penyah ene omomaka eye no we hye ade akwa sini de ono 6 December no onya kwai emayi na sibi
6 December de me ready. 6 December ye minu an me ready. Yeah, tiawa.
Mami mi hu say lawyer no all kan nsem no kan say wo mami free mu no Akosua Serwaa ma ye ye kan say esiye eye no kre.
Acha no de wi ase nipa dodo e ba me mami ye obi ani say asem no enye no kre. Fi se video so obeye bibia.
Bedase.
Chantron tu nipa so sa ne nyame wosoro. Ya omo nsoro nyame kakra. On te say Serwaa ne be ye bibia. Serwaa ne ye bibia. Obi ani. Ade ani ne secret. Mo kwa mo ni nyame. Ade ani ne secret tinti no. Ade ani e be ka so be a trinity. It's going there.
And now for that question say, okay, as small can there, I say what tie, what tie or dobro ni be near there because osi wunya kwan 6 December emayi na se. Edi ga ye twe ho da ro court da ka benya time. Azebo, azebo be kre. Na busia we ni ade akosi the court e kire se nyame adom a, Friday dey ni bia you better kwatena asem no so bi Friday a whole level akopɛ hwan ene bedi kuna ba eno ade coin e court injunction na e da yi no so no ene yakoyi pumakwem abura koyi pumakwem se Akosua Penyah e wo kwan se na otoa eye no wo hye bibia e wo Akosua Penyah se nyame ado asate nyame ado Friday ene kwakofana la yi se Daddy Lumba na ne yere ni Akosua Serwaa anaso gya na wade na imom odo broni so no na ne yere eno no anase no de empna twe keke na omo etwe. Until then, no, I hope you have a better comment section. Accra.